Introducing the MSI MAG 244F, a 24-inch Full HD gaming monitor that promises buttery smooth gameplay with a ridiculous 200Hz refresh rate and a snappy 0.5 milliseconds response time. If you like your games lightning fast and your motion blur minimal, this is the kind of screen that whispers, "I got you." What makes it tick? It's rocking a rapid IPS panel that delivers vivid colors and wide viewing angles, so your games don't just look good, they look consistently great, even if your chair position screams bad posture. The 1920 by 1080 resolution won't win any 4K contests, but at 24 inches, it's sharp enough for most setups. And yes, that 200Hz refresh rate is legit. Gamers pushing 180 to 200 frames per second on titles like Valorant, CS2, or Fortnite will notice the difference immediately. Everything feels smoother and more responsive. Just remember, if your PC is coughing and wheezing trying to hit those frame rates, you won't get the full magic. Now for the good, the bad, and the slightly meh. It's got super low input lag and adaptive sync support that nicks screen tearing like a charm. Also, MSI tossed in AI vision tech, which brightens dark gaming scenes without crushing your eyes with ugly overexposure. But don't get carried away. This monitor says HDR ready, but this is more like HDR maybe. The brightness maxes out around 300 nits, which is okay, but in darker rooms, deep blacks might look more like gray party guests. The stand only tilts, so if you want height or swivel adjustments, you'll need an aftermarket arm. And sure, the build feels solid, but don't expect luxury materials. Who's this for? If you're a competitive gamer on a budget who wants serious refresh rates without emptying your wallet, the MSI MAG 244F is a solid candidate. If you care more about 4K ultra cinematic vibes or real HDR for Netflix binges, look elsewhere. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more brutally honest tech reviews with a splash of humor.